Good morning, welcome to a 2 in 2 on Wednesday the 8th of January, and a Happy New Year to you all. This is the first one of this year. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, what we're doing here is a quick analysis in 2 minutes of the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Right, so what we're looking at here, over the holiday, the Christmas holiday, and the very light trading session, we had this spike up, popped in a new high there. But is it just an exhaustion spike? I mean, there was divergence going on with this whole move. That's that situation that's been going on. We've seen a break of the prior lows here, so it's looking edging towards a bit more of a bearish side to me. Also, when you look at what's going on in the short-term time frame here, when we come down the time frames, it's just come to a 4-hour chart, and you can see we're effectively in a sort of relatively bear flag sort of a pattern. As you've pulled down here, you've got this sort of flag pattern going on here, which could suggest further downside. Now we've got lots of key numbers coming out this week, starting from today, but key ECB meetings, etc., tomorrow. So this could really set the tone for probably the coming week. Certainly there's less news out next week, so what generally will happen with the non-farm payrolls, etc., this week could roll on and see a or cause a continuation next week. So that's the euro dollar. Pound dollar, let's just bring that into play, and we'll look at the dailies first very briefly here. It's probably a bit more steady, and we made the new highs. We've held up higher and stronger effectively, haven't pulled back quite so far. We haven't broken the prior lows here at the moment, but again it is consolidating. It did have a higher RSI here, so there was no divergence when this move happened. Overall, this brings 4-hour more clearly into sight here. There was some divergence on the 4-hourlies though, as it made this new high here, and again looking from a 4-hour perspective only, we're sort of, to me it's a sort of bear flaggish sort of territory. Now it doesn't mean to say we won't go up towards these the key moving averages here, and then possibly take a rollover, but again there's key news coming out which will affect the pound of course as well. So quite a decisive week this week, I would imagine. At the moment I expect chop for quite a lot of today, and maybe running even into tomorrow's decisions, and then Friday, hopefully by the end of this week, we'll get a bit more clear direction. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.